Hey, what's up, guys? Adam here for another episode of Preparing the Showroom for the Market. Hope everyone's having a great week so far. Just wanted to show a little behind the scenes as we're preparing the showroom. Right here, we got some new samples coming just in time, some new developments just in time for the market. So excited to get these up. For this market, I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you about what we're going to be showcasing. We got some outdoor rugs that we're going to be showcasing that are some unique constructions using a few different types of denier yarn or thicknesses of yarn. For a natural jute-like look. So we got some goodies there. We have some colorful outdoor rugs coming for 2024 and much more. Sorry, the place is a disarray, but we have some new shag yarns that we're going to be showing. This market, really soft, ultra soft, very high filaments. I'll double check what that is, but I think over 600 filaments on the yarn. A couple different weights we're going to be showing. Outdoor rugs. We have some new outdoor collections that we're going to be showcasing. Colorful prints, some more modern abstract styles. We're going to be showing some more distressed prints, warm tones, warm with cool tones combined. So really excited about these. You're going to be seeing some more abstract prints. These are a couple different types of polyester yarns combined together, giving it a high-low feel. So really excited to show you some of these. If you like what you saw in this video, head on over to our website at wwoven.com. Link in the post here to check out more about our new upcoming collections for 2023-2024. Thanks so much.